Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel LibreCAD tutorial. Today I want to show you how to draw unique shape. It is like a diamond, I think, but it's a flower shape also. Okay, let me start to draw. For the first, please activate some snap functions. There are three: snap on endpoint, snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. Okay, I think we should start drawing from this shape. Okay, yeah. First, select horizontal line, and I want to create this line. Okay, there are data about this line. The distance is 24. Okay, type into the box the length 24, snap point start, and middle points 1. Left click at anywhere you want to start to draw. Okay, this is 24. The distance from this point into the center of the shape. Okay, and then I think we should add a horizontal line again, 24. Okay, this is the center of the shape. Okay, now I think I want to create this line. It's an angel line. The angle between this line into that line is 20. Yeah, it's 45. Sorry. Okay. So the tool is relative angle. Select line relative angle, and type the angle is a half of this 45. You can write 45 divided by 2. Okay. And left click at the horizontal line, and we got the line for now. Okay, put the line into the position like this. Right click to escape, right click again. Now I want to mirror this line. Select the line, select mirror tool, left click for the first mirror line, and left click for the second mirror line. Select keep original, click OK. Now select trim to, yes, and then left click for the first and the second line. Okay, right click to escape. Now select the lines, both of the angel lines, and select mirror again. Left click for the first mirror line and activate restrict vertical at the bottom side. Okay, restrict vertical. Okay, restrict vertical will help us to draw line strike vertical. Okay, left click and select keep original, click OK. Deactivate restrict vertical. Okay, now time to use trim to again. Click for the first line and the second line, first line and second line. Right click to escape. Now we can delete these lines. Okay. Yes. Now to create this shape, okay, we need to try how the angel the angel from this line into that line. So I want to create I think start from the line, vertical line. Type the length for the vertical 100. Okay, snap point start. Okay, now right click. Oh, I think this too close. Select again vertical line. Yes, and then select the line and select rotate tool, rotate. Left click at the reference point or the rotation center. Okay, and then left click at the reference point Okay, bring the line into the position like this, and okay, I think we should try this one. You have to divide the 360 divided by 8. 360 is the angle from the a full circle, and divide by 8. Why 8? Because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yeah, there are 8 shapes there. Okay, the result is 45, and so you have to insert or type 45 at the angle. Okay, 45, and select multiple copies. Type 8 for the multiple copies, and click OK. Okay, now we got the shape. Okay, but it is a problem. We need to rotate the shape again to fit the position. Okay, I think we should rotate. Select rotate again, rotate, left click at the center of rotation, left click at the reference point, and bring the shape into the position like this. Okay, and then select delete original, change the angle into 22.5. Why 22.5? Because it is a half of 45. Yeah, we need to rotate to a half of 45 to bring the shape or the lines into the fit position like this. Okay, click OK. Yes, oh, I think it's okay now. And then select again vertical line. Okay, select snap point start, length 100, and left click at the center of our lines like this. Okay, now we select angular. Okay, we want to know how the angle. Oh, the angle is 22.5. Yes, right click to escape. Now time to create our drawing. Select a vertical line, and then select end snap point, the length 100. Okay, and left click to put the line to the position like this. Right click to escape. Now I want to create angle line again. Select relative angle and type the angle 22.5. It's okay, 22.5, and length 100. Okay, and then left click at the vertical line there. Okay, and bring the line to the position like this. Right click. Now select another vertical. Oh, right click to escape. No, I think I want to mirror this angle line. Select the line and select mirror tool. Left click for the first mirror line and left click for the second mirror line. Select keep original, click OK. Okay, now select trim tool, left click over the first line and left click for the second line. Right click to escape. Yeah, I think we almost got the shape. Now select trim tool, select trim, left click to select the trim line or cutter line. Left click for select the line we want to trim. Right click to escape, and now select the line as a cutter or trim line, and left click to select the line. Right click to escape, right again. Oh, we don't need these lines anymore. Delete. Oh, select 2 points line, draw line manually there. Right click to escape, right click again. Okay, and then there is a data about the distance before from this line to that line. Okay, yeah, we need to draw. Select parallel line and select the distance 10. Yes, the data is 10. Okay, and number, select enter the number 1, middle points 1, left click near the line like this, left click near the line. Okay, right click to escape. No time to use trim tool. Select trim tool, left click, right click to escape. Okay, I think we should delete this group of this line. Okay, select the shape, or the shape, and select rotate tool, left click at the rotation center, and then left click at the reference point, maybe there. Oh yes, and bring the position like this. Okay, yes, because the 360 divided by 8 is 45. Type the angle 45 and select multiple copies and type 8. Okay, and then click OK. Yeah. Okay, okay. I think we should change the line type of this group of lines. Okay, select the lines and select attributes, and then change the line type into .tiny. I think change the width also into 0.15. Click OK, and then I want to copy this one. Select all the drawing, select move for copy, left click at the reference point, and activate restrict horizontal. Bring the drawing into the position like this. Select keep original, click OK. Press ESC or escape on your keyboard. Okay, now I want to hatch this shape like this. Okay, but before we hatch the shape, I want to change the, I want to create a single layer for hatching. Just click this button at the layer and type the layer name hatch. Yes, select color. Try to use dark green. Select with okay, we select with 0.5, 0.05. Click OK. Change the active layer into hatch. Now select this. Okay, select the shape like this and select hatch tool, mark solid fill and click OK. Again, yeah, okay. Yes, okay. Select again hatch tool. Yeah, you can select the tool by right click and select hatch tool. Select the lines and right click and select hatch tool. Click OK. Oh, I think I want to change the line color. Change the active layer into 0 or default, and check and press this button, modify layer attributes, and change the color into black white, or change the custom and change into white. Select OK. Oh, the line, I think we should modify this one. Modify again, saying the custom, and maybe, yeah. Okay, and then change this. You can change this one, the line. Oh, select all the lines, select attributes, and change the color into dark red. Oh no, maybe dark blue. Okay, yeah. Okay, dimension maybe. Oh, how about this one? Yes, we can change all the shape, change the attributes, and change the color into dark blue. Okay, yes. Okay, create a single layer again and type the layer name for dimension and select color, maybe dark red, and select width 0.15, line type maybe dot tiny, click OK. Give dimension for our drawing, select horizontal, yes, first. Oh, please deactivate your restrict horizontal before. First time. Oh, select horizontal, left click. Okay, we got the dimension. And then, how about, that was a mistake. Yeah, it's the distance. Oh, we got double for the distance. Try. Yes, 10. But the 10 is from this point. Okay, I think it's not problem. You can change it when you draw for your own self. I'm sorry about the mistake. Okay, but I will give dimension. So change a line and give dimension. Yes, 20. Sorry, it was different. Yes. Okay, the next dimension. Oh, an angel. Select dimension, angular. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry about the dimension. It is actually 10, but yeah. I think it's okay. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. I think that's all for today. See you in next video. Please subscribe to our channel LibreCAD tutorial. Please support us with your subscribe and share our channel. Thank you very much. Bye.